In Silence of the Sparrows, Jude and Zara were finally able to get Callum released and bring him home to Slate Creek. Now that the family's back together, everything can return to normal, except that nothing will really ever be normal again. The SACs, once failing, are now thriving all over New America thanks to the help of the Sparrows, and nothing is a bigger threat to the authority of President Connor than successful SACs. He always tolerated the SACs simply because he believed they would fail on their own within a few years. Now that was not true, his patience is at an end, and the SACs will have a lot more to worry about than their next crop rotation or their failing power grids. They are not alone, however, because just like the rustling in the trees in the distance, they have hope. They can hear the sound of the sparrows.